In this video, I'll walk you through how to complete preventative maintenance tasks on a job in Field Ascend. Let's start by creating a new job and selecting our customer. Next, we'll choose the site and add some equipment to it. We'll add 2 FCU units here, test FCU1 and test FCU10. Perfect. So now we have our equipment in place on the job. Now we'll add a preventative maintenance check to the job. Let's pick a PM check, an HVAC preventative maintenance check that applies to each equipment item. This can also be automated by setting up schedules from the PM module. But for this demo, we're just creating one manually. These preventative maintenance checks are designed in the PM check section, and once they're built, they can be added to any job. You'll also want to set up your defect severity levels. That's configured under preventative maintenance settings, where you can choose your severity options. In this example, we have low, medium, and high, color-coded green, amber, and red. Heading back to the job we just created, you can see the preventative maintenance checks attached to the job. We'll go ahead and assign it to an engineer. So we'll assign the job to our technician, and then we'll switch over to the app to demonstrate the field side. Let's pull up that job. Job 4409. All right, so now we're inside the job. You can see the 2 pieces of equipment we added. So we'll scroll down to the HVAC maintenance check. Both equipment items are listed here. Test FCU1 and test FCU10. And one of the really useful features here is visibility of previous defects. From the last maintenance visit, the engineer picked up issues with the drive belt, and also a problem during startup. Over on FCU10, we've got another previous defect, a high-severity critical one. So we'll work through them. We have the option to either resolve these defects or mark them as still open. If we mark them as still open, they're automatically carried into this check. Scrolling down, you'll see those previous answers flagged for follow-up, and the open defects are listed there too. Now I'll go through and complete each check. These checks are the same ones you build on the office side. Design it once, then assign the check to the job, and the technician completes it out in the field on the app. Let's finish this one off. First equipment done. We can save and move on to the next equipment item. There are previous defects on this one as well. We'll mark them as still open, and then we'll run through the checks, and then complete the final equipment. So the preventative maintenance sheet is now fully completed. Heading back to the office, if we hit refresh, you can see that those preventative maintenance checks have come through. We have FCU1 and FCU10 with the drive belt and startup notes pulled in, all flagged on the report. We can print these off, and if we look at the templates, these are what get sent through to your customer. And these aren't just display only on the job. They're permanently logged against the asset itself. If we open the equipment record for FCU1, you can see all the previous defects stored here. We have a photo, a QR code, and so on. Scrolling down, you'll see the full defect history. We have 2 open defects, one that's been resolved previously, and the maintenance check history is shown right here, too. Same goes for FCU10. Scrolling down, we can see the 1 defect that's still unresolved. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.